All right, this is from HF Racing. So we moved down to, well, up to Alaska. So we haven't put any videos out in a little while. I got my KLX 300 and the boys' bikes are all in a line up here through the garage. Luckily it's heated, so it's about 17, I think it's 17 degrees out right now. So anyway, we're looking at trying to get out and do some riding. So I picked up these here traction studs from Motosport, and I got 300 here. I was gonna try and get at least mine and Weston's bike done. I don't think it's gonna be quite enough. Actually, I got another 200. They're on their way, but you can see I already got some studs put in the tire here. I'm probably gonna hit both of the center lugs, but I figured I might as well do a review of how these things work, how they install, and what the outcome is, how well they actually perform. Right now, everything around us is already iced over. I mean, it's pretty cold out, but they come with this installation bit right here. And they go in fairly easy. See if I can video one. But there's cutouts in the bit that hold right onto it there. And I was a little nervous for some of the. So these are actually front studs, but I was going to do every lug on the back and the front. You can see here. There you go. So they go in easy, and I ran them right down till the tools flush with the tire. I checked the tread on these, and I knew that I'd be basically clear of our tubes running these in, and that's why I chose the front studs. On Motosport there, I just ordered all front studs, and I just decided maybe I'd do every single lug on the back and the front tires. And then I actually ordered some additional studs. So like I said, I got 200 more on their way, and then I ordered a couple more 100 of some shorter studs I found actually through Amazon. They still have the carbide tip, but I imagine they're not going to perform as well. But they have a little bit less of a thread-in shank, and I was actually looking at those for the 50s, and maybe for our side lugs on our front tires. But once I get them all finished up, I'll take a little vid, and then when we get out and run them, I'll post a video and see how they perform. Well, happy Friday. We got the bikes out. We're gonna rip. Katie, you ready? Hey guys, so I wanted to take some good video today, but we just moved in and our GoPros are in a Pelican case someplace um, in our house. But anyway, we did get out. We went and rode in the 50s. The boys took out the 50s. They really wanted to take them. They didn't have studs in them, and me and Wes on his 85, and me on the 300R. We rode all over the place and had a great time. The 50s only made it maybe a half mile, and they ended up having to turn back. It was just it's just too icy, too slick. They without having studs in, they really couldn't do much. But definitely worth it if you're wanting to ride or extend your riding season. I'm gonna buy more, and I'm gonna go ahead and instead the other, I guess, 4 bikes. So, all right. Hopefully, hopefully help somebody out there. Have a good one.